What's good, YouTube? Back at it again with another video, man. Today's video gonna be very instructional, you feel me? Gonna be installing aftermarket SRT lights on my Dodge Charger. You feel me? I got a scat pack, you feel me? This my baby here, 392. Gonna be installing new lights. Say red SRT on the floor. So, it's real simple, guys. You're gonna open your door like so. And then we're gonna be installing new ones. You're gonna be popping this bad boy off with a screwdriver today, because this all you really need, screwdriver, and then your part is really plug and play. So what you're gonna do, you're gonna get underneath here, get the screwdriver, right in that little latch right there, pull it down ever so, it'll pop right off. Then you get that part out, it's a little bitty clip, that little clip right there. You're gonna push down right there, and then it should come off, just like that. You're gonna grab your new one, you're gonna install it, plug right back in there. Fitment back up in there. Damn, snatched. Now, you can barely see it, the ground wet, and it's like the middle of the day. But, got the job done. That's how you do it, guys. I will be uploading something to show y'all the nighttime view, but that's it for today's video. Y'all like, comment, subscribe, share the video, and thank you for watching.